Question 16. The figure below is made up of one big semicircle and four smaller identical semicircles. O is the center of the big circle. Sy is 84 meter. A. Find the perimeter of the shaded part. B. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, so Sy is 84 kilometer. So XO, which is the radius of the big circle, is 84 divided by 2 equal to 42 meter. This is 42. This will also be 42. This is also 42. Because these circles are all identical, the semicircles, from here, we draw a line to the center of SO, to the middle of SO. This part will also be the radius of the small semicircle. And here to here as well. And draw further and further. Okay, now what we are trying to find is A, the perimeter of the shaded part. The perimeter will be the perimeter of the half big circle plus this part, this part, this part, and this part. And all these parts actually is a quarter of the small circle. Okay, now we find the big circle first, the big semicircle. The big semicircle, the perimeter will be 2 pi, big R is 42 times half. This is the big one. And then we also need to find, okay, we solve this equation first and then we solve the smaller one. So for this is 42 pi. Okay, now the smaller one. The smaller one is 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter, for 1 quarter. So actually it's a whole circle. For whole circle is 2 pi r. And this r radius actually is half of this, which is half of 42. So this is equal to 42 pi as well. The perimeter of the shaded area, we need to add up these two together. 42 pi plus 42 pi equal to 84 pi. And pi, we make it equal to 22 sevenths is 84 times 22 sevenths is equal to 264 meter. So this is the perimeter of the shaded part. For question B, find the area of the shaded part. The area of the shaded part is the total area of this big semicircle minus this square, another square, this semicircle, this semicircle, this quarter circle, this semicircle, and this quarter circle. So we need to find out we find out the total area of this big semicircle first. Is pi r squared. R is 42. Okay, this is the area of the big semicircle. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change to a semicircle. Okay, half of this. Okay, so now we go for the quarter circle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This total 4 quarter circles. Actually, it's one whole circle. One whole circle is pi r. But remember, r is just half of this. Half of this is 21 square. So this is the area of the 4 quarter circle. Okay, next is the square. Okay, we have 2 squares. So when you times 2, and each side is 21. So 21 square. Okay, so now when we're trying to find out the area of the shaded part, we need to use this minus this part minus this part. So it's pi 42 square times half minus 21 square pi minus 2 times 21 square. It is equal to 2 pi minus 1 pi minus 1 times 2. So equal to 1 pi. Pi is equal to 22nd over 7 minus 1 times 2. This is equal to 504 meter square. Okay, so this is the answer.